Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you very quick and easy steps on how to add story on your Snapchat. So let's start from our home screen. Firstly, you have to open your Snapchat account and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap onto the camera icon. You can directly post your photos or video through camera, or you can go onto the library or a gallery and choose camera roll and select your desired photos or videos, and then you can edit your selected photos or videos. You have to click on send. Now if you want to post your story publicly, then you have to check on public, or if you want to post your story only with friends, then you have to check on friends only, then click on send. So this is how you post your story on Snapchat. Hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.